we have one question on GST and one question on equation of line. Right. Since you are trying to abscond with GST, so it's not good. But anyway, if you are saying something, but I taught you, so it's feeling me very bad. Anyway, so for this we have question number 1, right? Question is Mr. Bedi visits the market and buy. So this prepare bill of Mr. Bedi for goods he purchased. How you do that? Purchased, right? So we'll do it like this, right? Pair of shoes, rupees 300, GST is this. Okay. So there is, here we have items. Items. Here is, we will put price. Then we go for GST, right? GST, and then value. This is, right? This is we have. Now, if you go for medicine, first item he purchased, this is we called serial number, right? So first he purchased medicines. Medicines cost is rupees 950, right? And GST is 5%. 5%. So 950, we will write here tax amount, and then we take value, right? So 5% GST is there. We can short this line. We can do it like this here, and this is here, right? So 5% GST is there. So it means 950 into 5 upon 100, right? So this is how much? 0 and 0 cancel. 2 times it is 47.5. This is tax amount. So when we add this, so how much it is? 900 97.5. This is the amount paid, right? 47 plus 900 is how much? 47.5. When you add, you get 0.5799. That is it, right? Now so this much he paid. Now the second one is he purchased pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. It is pair of shoes, that is 3,000 rupees. 3,000, and GST paid is 18%. 18%. So 3,000 into 18 upon 100. Two zeros cancelled. 3 times 540. So this is GST he paid. 5% tax. So total amount is 3,540 rupees. This is also rupees. Okay. Now what we have next? That we have next is what? We have a laptop bag. Third is laptop bag. Its cost is 1,000 rupees. 1,000 at a discount of, oh my god, at discount percent is how much? 30%. 30%. So SP is equal to 1,000 minus 1,000 into 30 upon 100. So these two zeros are cancelled out. It becomes 30. So it is 1,000 minus 300 is equal to 700. So he paid 700 for that. Right? SP is 700. So and GST is 18%. 18% GST is there. So 700 into 18 upon 100. Cancel out. $126. 8 times 7 becomes 56. We get 5. Carry. 1 times 7 becomes 7 plus 7 plus 5 becomes 12. 126. And 700 plus 126 becomes rupees.
So 1,000 many plus.
Tax is always paid on selling price, na? Whatever MRP is there, that does not matter. Topic is that how much it is at how much cost it is selling. It is selling at 700. So we'll take tax on 700 only, na? How we can charge on 1,000? So it is 8,026 rupees. Right? This is the tax. So now we have tax amount. Tax amount is how much? Tax amount is, calculate the total amount of GST. So tax amount is oh no. Yeah. So that is 950 into 5%. 47.5 plus 540 plus 126. Right? So amount paid is 713.5. 713.5. So this is tax amount. This is tax amount. Right? And total amount paid total amount paid total amount including GST is how much?
Chị
47.5 plus 950. It becomes 997.5 plus 3,540 plus 826. It is 5,300. 5,363.5.
Mama.
63.5 rupees. This is the total amount paid by Mr. Bedi. Right? So this is the net amount he paid. So your question was like this. You have to find the tax amount. So tax amount is rupees 713.5 and total amount including GST
जो बंद करना लग जाता है
including GST
मत सुनो
is equal to 5,000 5,363.5 rupees, right? This is we have. Okay. So this was question number 1.
बंद करो मम्मी बंद करो अरे सुन नहीं रहा पापा
This was we have a question, right? So what problem you have in this kind of questions, huh? Not bad. Making bill. And one more I had, that is from different segment, that we have line, equation of line we have, right? So we have a question from equation of line. So find the value of P. This is question number 2. Question number 2. Find value of P. Right? If lines if lines 3x, sorry, 5x minus 3y, 5x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, and 6x minus py plus 7 is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. Hence find the equation of line find equation of line passing through -2, -1 and parallel to parallel to 6x minus py plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the question, right? You can take that. This is our question. So there is given us line px minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0 is perpendicular to 6x minus py plus 7 is equal to 0. When these lines are perpendicular, so first we can write 5x plus 2 is equal to 3y, or y is equal to 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3. So slope of this line is m1 is equal to 5 by 3. And if we solve this, so we can write 6x plus 7 is equal to py. So y is equal to 6 upon p x plus 7 upon p. Right? This is m2. So if lines perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So you get how much? m1 is 5 by 3 into m2 is how much? 6 upon p is equal to minus 1. Right? So 2 times 3 becomes 6, and 2 times 5 becomes 10. So it is, and it is cross, so this is, we get 10 p is equal to minus 1. So we can write 10 is equal to minus p, or we can write p is equal to minus 10. Right? Then equation will be, is what? 6x minus py plus 7 is equal to 0. So p is equal to minus 10. So we will write here 6x minus 10 y plus 7 is equal to 0. So we can write 6x plus 10y plus 7 is equal to 0. So when we get the slope for this, so it becomes 10y is equal to minus 6x minus 7. So we get y is equal to minus 6 by 10 x minus 7 by 10. It becomes 3 times 2 becomes 6 and 5 times 2 becomes 10. So slope of this line is slope of line is equal to minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Lines parallel, then slopes equal. Therefore, M1 is equal to M3 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Right? Now you have the coordinates. You have to find the equation of line. So we can use y minus 1 is equal to m, that is minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 bracket, that is how much? X minus x minus minus 2. So you can write y, this 5 comes here, so 5y plus 5 is equal to minus 3x minus plus and plus minus, so it becomes minus 6. You get it? So 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 upon 5 bracket x minus 2 minus plus minus 3 times 2 becomes 6. We bring it on the other side, so we get 3x plus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. So equation of parallel line. Equation of parallel line passing through minus 2 comma minus 1. Is this? So this is the whole solution of this question. Have you done? Okay.